Welcome to Learn ACT Math. I'm Mandy, and I'm the creator of Learn Math with Me and the instructor for this course. I'd like to tell you a little bit about the course now. First of all, let's talk about the goals of this course. For all the students taking this course, I want you to gain a familiarity with the ACT Math section. I want you to be familiar with the structure of the math section, what math subjects are covered in the ACT Math section. I also want you to know about the different problem types that you'll encounter on the ACT Math section. We'll talk all about those in an upcoming video. Also, from taking this course, I want you to have confidence while you're taking the ACT Math section because you're going to see different problems that are very similar to the ones you'll see on the ACT Math. I want you to feel confident as you're working the problems and know that you can do your very best. And finally, the main goal of taking Learn ACT Math is to increase your ACT Math score. Whether this is the first time that you're taking the ACT or if you've taken it multiple times, because you're going to be practicing doing problems that are very similar to what you'll see on the ACT Math, your score should increase and show the hard work that you've done to prepare for this test. Now let's talk a little bit about the structure of the course. There are 6 main sections, and these are based on the problem types that you're going to see on the math section. It's over 76 videos and over 3 hours. The sections include pre-algebra, elementary algebra, intermediate algebra, coordinate geometry, plane geometry, and trigonometry. And within each section, you have several different types of problems. Each section will have a test yourself problem that strongly resembles the ACT, and then also each section has 1 to 2 additional example problems on that subject matter. Now, I've done all the work for you. I've gone through old ACT tests and official ACT board practice tests, and I've reviewed those and evaluated all the different subject matters and the types of problems that are on the test, and that's how I have built my course. The problems that you will encounter here are not the same as what are on the ACT. They are very similar. It's going to help you to get the general knowledge of the subject matter that's going to be tested, so you will know how to approach a problem when you're presented it when you take the ACT. Now, who is this course for? Of course, all ACT taking students. This is for those that are taking the test for the first time or those that have taken it before. It's going to provide you good practice problems to be prepared for the ACT Math section. This course is for those that are looking for a little bit of help in the subject content. What I mean by that is, since I'm going to be showing you math problems that you'll find on the ACT and working those problems, it's going to help you to know how to work the problems when you're taking the ACT. And this also provides great practice problems. But if you're really focused on improving only your timing, if you think you already know how to work the problems, this is probably not the best course for you. Now, of course, your timing is going to improve as you figure out how to work the problems the best way. So you will get some improvement on your timing, but we are not focused solely on timing in this course. What can you expect? I'm going to provide you ACT-type math problems, along with methods and techniques to work these problems. And of course, always contact me with any questions. Now, what can I expect from you? For the goals to be met that we talked about at the beginning of this introduction, you're going to need to watch the videos and work problems on your own. You can't just watch me work the problems. You've got to put pencil to paper and work the problems yourself. You've got to attempt to really understand these problems. Ask questions and do your best. When you put forth the effort, you will see the rewards. Now, here's why I'm qualified to teach Learn ACT Math to you. I have a bachelor's and master's degree in industrial and systems engineering. I've had lots of math classes and engineering courses where we've made a lot of math applications in that coursework. I worked as a NASA engineer for 8 years, and now I'm also a math tutor. I've tutored everything from pre-algebra through college-level calculus, and I'm an ACT math coach as well as a science coach also. What now? I need you to set aside some quiet practice time that you can sit, watch the videos, and work through these problems. I would recommend you start with Section 1. It does start with pre-algebra, and I know you're thinking, I took that in middle school. That's easy stuff. But if you haven't looked at some of the topics in a while, I would start back in Section 1, and then you'll do great on that section. And now let's get started by learning ACT Math.